Segment is sponsored by Rigby Dental.
Are you tired of hiding your smile? Dr. Chris Evans of Rigby Dental has transformed hundreds of smiles and lives in the Salt Lake Valley and says it's never too late to reclaim your beautiful, healthy smile. Welcome to the show, Dr. Evans.
Thanks, Kari. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Happy to have you here. Okay, you and Rigby Dental have been known as the go-to in Salt Lake Valley for patients with complicated dental issues for almost 25 years. Tell us a little bit about Rigby Dental and what makes you different.
Yeah, perfect. So like you said, it's been over 2 decades that Dr. Rigby has been practicing. I joined his practice several years ago.
Yeah.
Several things that make us different is we try to treat all of our patients as if they were family. So if you come into our office, we're going to give you the same treatment plan we would our mother or our father. The other thing that really makes us different is that we try to treat people as if everybody's anxious. So we do sleep dentistry, we do sedation dentistry.
Oh, I know that helps people just like relax.
Absolutely.
Knowing that too.
Dental, in general, dentistry is a very stressful environment to be in.
Sure.
And so we try to approach everybody as if they're a person and not a number. That's one thing that you'll definitely get at our office, is that you'll never feel like another statistic. You're a person, you're a valued part of a family and a community.
Sure.
And we truly believe that. The other thing that is kind of unique about our practice is that we have been in the top 3 or have won Best of SLC the last 5 to 6 years.
That's amazing, Chris.
And so,
congratulations.
Yeah, we're very fortunate that our patients have elected us again for this coming year, and we find out in a couple weeks.
Very well deserved.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, one of the many aspects of dentistry that you are passionate about is treating sleep apnea. So, you know, a lot of people think that CPAP is the only option for treating it, but there's a smaller, more convenient option, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, there's tons of different health risks associated with sleep apnea. And what a lot of people think, or what a lot of people might be under the misinformation about, is that a CPAP is not the only way that you can treat sleep apnea.
Yeah.
So there are devices that we can put in your mouth, like retainers or like night guards, that will help position your lower jaw forward and open your airways rather than blowing positive pressure down your throat all night. And so some of the questions that we ask our patients are if you like camping, if you're traveling for work, if you're
that's a good point.
If you're out and about all the time and you can't bring your CPAP with you, what other alternatives are there?
Yeah, and that can just travel easy.
Absolutely. Travel's easy. It's very convenient, very lightweight, very adaptable, and it's a really good alternative to positive pressure or a CPAP.
Absolutely. Okay, the other component of dentistry we wanted to discuss with you was smile makeovers. It's become a specialty of yours. You see the before and afters, and they are amazing.
Yeah, they're so much fun. They're very high stress, high focus situations. But honestly, Kari, they're some of the more rewarding patients that we ever get to work with.
I bet. I mean, you just see someone before and after, and they're a different human being.
It's life-changing. And a lot of times people will come to us, or patients will come to us, and they'll say, my teeth can no longer be saved, I'm given up, I have painful teeth, I have ugly teeth. And one of the things that I stress a lot is that most of the time you're never beyond repair.
Yeah.
So we can always start somewhere, we can rebuild, we can save the teeth that you have in a conservative way, and we can give you the smile that you never really thought you could get back.
And change your life. Okay, quickly, can you tell us about that special offer real quick?
Absolutely, yeah. So we'd like to offer a free cone beam consultation. So it's a $350 cone beam scan for all of our patients that mention the Fresh Living ad.
Okay.
And we'll do a smile consult, a rehab consult, and a sleep apnea consult if you're interested in those services.
Amazing. Dr. Evans, thanks for all you're doing, changing people's lives. We appreciate you. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us, Kari. Thank you.